Is Facebook down right now? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Facebook right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Facebook. Right now, people saying that on Facebook the error is unavailable status. To fix this problem, you should try to restart your phone, reinstall the app, and you can also go to settings, to your phone settings, and clear the cache and the data from your Facebook app. You are not the only one who has problems with Facebook right now, so you don't have to worry about it if you can't fix this problem with Facebook. I'm sure that they will fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have issues with Facebook right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can tell us if you do have issues, what are the issues, if it's still not working or if it's working. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic so you can turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.